Okay, so Tiguan's don't come much better than this. This is a real special car. One owner from new, full VW history, 2017 VW Tiguan, finished in tungsten silver. It's almost like a champagne colour car. The car's an R-Line, so it's got the R-Line spec, 20-inch wheels, pan roof, 6-speed manual gearbox, 15,000 miles, and I defy you to find a better example on the market. It's stunning. Inside and out, it's brand new. The way the one former keeper has owned this car and looked after it is just, it's immaculate, completely. Price is £23,490. It's a four-wheel drive, it's a 2-litre diesel, and it's a stunning, stunning car. So what the R-Line gives this car is a much chunkier, beefier, sportier looking vehicle with the deeper bumpers. It's got front and rear sensors. It's got the new generation, it's a new generation Tiguan. So you've got the upgraded lights with the xenon headlights, the lovely daytime driving lights, which go into the headlight as well. I think that looks really, really, really nice. The 20-inch wheels, again, make this car a little bit special. You can get them with smaller wheels, but it makes a big difference. The wheels are diamond cut. They've got a grey insert, and they're absolutely immaculate. No corrosion, no curb damage, nothing. And we haven't touched this car prep-wise. It's come in on Saturday, and it's beautiful. Big option on the car is the roof. Opening, sliding, tilting, panoramic sunroof with powered blind. The car's got privacy glass. Round the back end of the car, you can see we've got the new generation LED lights with the separate glass pieces, which again looks stunning. The car is just incredible condition. I cannot over-describe it to you, but anyone looks at this car who buys it blind, should I say, not seeing the car, please, please take my word for it. It's immaculate inside and out. Split folding rear seat, really lovely flat level boot space with a full-size spare as well, which some people ask for. It's really important to know we have got that in this car. The seats can fold flat with two little levers in here, easily fold flat so you're not reaching over. Front and rear sensors, high-level brake light for safety, and then into the back it's got half leather interior, so it's an R-Line, it's got sports seats. Little tray tables in the back which fold out, which are really lovely when you've got rear passengers. Spending a bit more time in the car on a long distance, you can put your drinks on there, your iPad. Rear climate control as well in the back. But the car is beautiful. 6-speed manual, it is a 4-wheel drive, it'll average 60 miles to the gallon, gives you the drive height, and look at it inside, just like the outside, it's beautifully kept. R-Line sport seats, which are leather, Alcantara and cloth. Now this car comes with some other real modern features which you don't get on many cars like this. It's got Apple CarPlay, it's got Android CarPlay, so if you enjoy the tech side of a car, this has got everything. It's got nav, Bluetooth, then you can connect your phone, you know, your Android or your iPhone to the car and use it in a really lovely way. You can use it for voice control, for your messaging. Digital cockpit, flat bottom steering wheel, which is the R-Line one, so it's leather steering wheel. Adaptive cruise control, another thing which you get on these VWs, which you'll really, really enjoy and you'll really use. Automatic lights, we've got power folding, heated electric door mirrors. Let's turn those lights off and start the car up. So because the car's got adaptive cruise, it's also got lane departure warning, so it will keep you in the lanes. And the adaptive cruise is on this side of the steering wheel here. These little buttons here, got Bluetooth controls on this side, and then looking at the touchscreen in the middle, you can see we've got Apple CarPlay and Android CarPlay, DAB radio, you've got nav, you've got the Bluetooth function where you can connect your phone, stream music to the car or speak through obviously the stereo system, heated front seats, digital climate control, different driving modes for the car, and then down here you've got your 4-wheel drive modes because it is a 4Motion, there you go, it says 4Motion there. Then the sunroof, you've got the powered blind, full tilt and sliding roof, the digital cockpit which shows you map display as well if you want, you can change that, but it's just a stunning car. I can't, you know, the first person who rings on this car has got to buy it. 23,490, 15,000 miles. Don't forget the car's 4 years old. It's been unbelievably well looked after. Full VW history, one owner from new, tungsten silver, looks right, R-Line, what a car. Thanks for watching.